Welcome to our YouTube channel where we explore the fascinating world of the law of attraction and how it can help you manifest your desires. In today's video, we are diving into a powerful technique to manifest a call or text from your specific person in just 2 minutes. Using telepathic lines and the law of attraction, you can create a powerful energetic connection that will draw your SP to reach out to you. Get ready to experience the magic of manifestation as we guide you through this transformative process. Understanding telepathic communication. Before we delve into the technique, let's discuss telepathic communication and how it relates to the law of attraction. Telepathy is the ability to transmit thoughts, feelings, or messages from one person to another without using any of the 5 physical senses. In the context of manifestation, telepathic communication involves energetically sending out your intentions and desires to the universe, thereby attracting a corresponding response from your SP. Now, let's explore the step-by-step process to manifest a call or text from your specific person in just 2 minutes. Begin by setting a clear intention for the manifestation. Visualize your specific person reaching out to you through a call or text and feel the excitement and joy of receiving their message. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax and focus your mind. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself and release any tension or stress from your body. Now, close your eyes and visualize a telepathic connection forming between you and your specific person. Imagine a beam of golden light extended from your heart to theirs, creating a direct energetic link between you. With focused intention, mentally send your message to your SP. Use telepathic lines to convey your desire for them to call or text you. Repeat a simple phrase such as "Call me now" or "Text me immediately" with conviction and belief. As you send your message, feel the energetic connection strengthening between you and your specific person. Allow yourself to bask in the sensation of connection and knowingness that your message has been received. Release any attachment to the outcome and trust in the power of the universe to deliver your manifestation in divine timing. Surrender to the process and remain open to receiving your SP's response. Express gratitude to the universe for orchestrating the manifestation of your desire. Feel thankful for the telepathic connection you share with your specific person and for the imminent call or text you are about to receive. By practicing this telepathic law of attraction technique, you can manifesting a call or a text from your specific person in just 2 minutes, I bet you. Remember to set a clear intention, visualize the telepathic connection, and send your message with conviction and belief. Release attachment to the outcome and express gratitude for the manifestation process. With consistent practice and unwavering faith, you can create a powerful energetic connection that draws your specific person to reach out to you. Thank you for watching, and may your manifestations bring you joy, love, and fulfillment.